Hi, welcome to Physical Product Catch video number 3. In this video, we are going to discuss about the keyword research and competition check. I just gave in the slide the tools required as a Google Keyword Planner, which is free, Longtail Pro, which is a paid keyword tool. And I also mentioned what are the criteria we are going to look today in the keyword research and the competition check. I'll just go through the criteria and then we will go an example. Minimum 300 search per month. So we want the keywords which we are going to select to have at least 300 searches per month. And we are going to select approximately around 25 to 30 keywords for our site. In order to do well in the search engine, the site should have at least 25 to 30 pages of minimum content in the website. Then only Google will recognize as a fully a content site. The third one is long tail keywords is better. If you search keywords which is more than 3 or 4 words, that will be better because the competition will be obviously low. The fourth one will be any brand keywords. We will go in the example. What is it? And buyer keywords. Buyer keywords are the keyword phrases which people type in the search engine which says best product category. For example, best Coleman tents. For example, we saw the keyword tent, best Coleman tents or Coleman tent reviews. So these are all the nice buyer keywords. Buyer keywords are the keywords which people search and they are in the process of taking a decision and just looking for a final confirmation or reviews from the site. So they are the real buyers. If we get hold of those people into our site, they will straight away go to the Amazon site and buy it where we will get the commission. And the last one I'm talking about is the competition. Competition I have given here as less than 700,000 pages. So if we type a keyword in the Google search engine, we don't want a very highly competitive keyword to be targeted because there will be millions of sites will be there. So it's very difficult for us to fairly get a share of our ranking. So we should concentrate on something like 700,000. It's just a ballpark figure which I have found which is easy for us to target, and that will be useful for us in ranking our sites and the keywords. And let's go to the keyword tool now. All right. So we found that tents, we are going to concentrate on the Coleman syndrome tents and generally the camping product which is tents. So let's see how this is faring in the keyword plan. So first thing is we need to have a keyword planner from the Google. So keyword planner is a free keyword tool. If you go to google.com/adwords, you will, once you log into if you don't have an account, you can create an account and then access the keyword planner. When you go to the home page will look like this, and you have to go to the tools and then select the keyword planner. In the keyword planner, we are going to search for the keyword idea. So select the first one and then type your keyword. So in this case, we are going to type as this is what we have selected. So we just type this Coleman syndrome 4% 10. I'm going to copy this and put it into the Google Planner and see what the results come. The results will be coming related to the phrases also. We'll select all location, English, Google, no negative keywords. We don't have any filters or such. And nowadays, the keyword planner is working only one output, which is the exact match phrases. So if you just type in the keyword and get ideas, the keyword planner is working, and this is the information we have got. So these are the ad group ideas. So let's go to the keyword idea tab here, and we can see what is happening. See here, the keyword which we have searched, Coleman syndrome 4% tent, is having 880 searches. Probably you are aware that I told at least a minimum of 300 search should be there. So here it has a 880. So that is absolutely fine. And we have huge list of keywords with various variations of the keyword, like Coleman 4% tent, which is having 1300 search. 4% tents are a very common phrase, so it's not attending a specific brand, so the search is high, but this will be very difficult. But if you see Coleman 6% tent, we thought 4% tent, and there is 6% tent, there is a 1000 search, and there are some search like Coleman syndrome 2% tent, Coleman 4% syndrome tent, that's fine. Coleman 6% instant tent, so that should be another different product. If we just go and copy this and type into the Amazon, we will get a product for this. So this is also a very nice variation of the keyword. So as we discussed in the previous video, these tent products have a lot of buyers. As it says, it's a bestseller. Definitely there are lots and lots of buyers. That's why Keyword Planet is showing a lot of searches. See, 1000, 1500, 1300, 1100. So there is enough searches available here. So if you go to the second page, there is some more for you. 4% Coleman 10, 70, it's not much, that's fine. Coleman 10% tents is having 1000 searches. So Coleman tent is very nice keyword, but we are happy with the number of searches now. So now we have to just fine tune our search by going to the competition check. So to do the competition check, let's go to Google and type this keyword and see whatever the keyword you are going to select. You just go and type it in the keyword in the Google and see. I have installed SEO Quake here because if you are not going to use the paid tool like Longtail Pro, so this will be useful. So go and install the SEO Quake. SEO Quake is a free Chrome extension. You can just install it. So SEO Quake will give some informations like what is the PR for the page it's ranking, how many pages indexed, how many backlinks are coming to this page. This is the page one. So if you can see, this is LO0, which says the page links to the domain. So the most important thing we are going to concentrate here is number one is the results. Number of results it's returning. See here, the results returning here is 69,900, which is fantastic because I have told you in the slide that we need 700,000 pages less than that. So this is the absolute fantastic keyword, 69,900. And the second thing we want to check is the PR of the sites. The PR should be low for us to rank. So lesser the PR is good the keyword is. For example, see here, it's 422, no PR for the fourth result, no PR for the fifth, 4 PR for the sixth, seventh is a video which has 2 PR. So it's absolutely fine. On an average, you have to make sure that your PR, the 8th one is only 1 PR and the 9th one is no PR. So on an average, you should make sure that the PR is not going above 3 on an average. On an average in the sense all the PR together divided by 10. So on an average, if the PR is under 3, it will be very good. Moreover, I'll tell you another thing is that most of the sites here are Amazon. This is a Coleman site itself, that's fine. This is a Walmart internal page. Walmart is a big store, you might be knowing. As YouTube videos, 4, 5, 6, 7 are all videos, and 8 is a site, and 9th is also a site. So Overall, in these results, there is a lot of videos are popping up, so we can easily outplace, because normally they will show only one video. In this case, we have four videos. So this is a fantastic keyword for selection. So probably you'd have got the information that what I'm trying to say is that the PR should be less than 3, and if it is a big stores like Amazon, Walmart, these kind of stores, we can easily outrank it, because these sites are ranking here based on the pure domain power, the main page power, because it has a link of uh, see here for Walmart is more than 1 million, so it's ranking based on that. But if you see its page link is only 5, Amazon is 0, and the Coleman is having only two links for this page. So if you have a decent SEO done, we can easily outrank. So this is a very good keyword to target. So very similarly, you have to do for every keyword, you have to select the keyword from here. For example, we have done Coleman Sundome 4% tent now. The second thing we can do, Coleman 10% tent. You can go and see the similarly what is happening here. And the next one, Coleman 6% Sundome tent. Like that, I want you to select at least 25 to 30 keyword and search for the competition and then select the keywords. So our idea is to get 25 to 30 keywords to create the site. So you spend little bit of time in searching for the keywords, because this is the most important part of the entire exercise. If you do wrong in the keyword selection and the competition selection, whatever the time you spend after that, it will be a wasted efforts. So if you say in a scale of 1 to 10, you have to give more emphasis on the keyword research and competition to the extent of at least 6 or 7. So for example, if you are doing the keyword research, selecting the product, keyword research, and building the site takes 5 hours, I want you to spend in selecting the keywords and the competition check at least 1 to 2 hours, because the site building will not take much time. I want you to spend at least 40% of the time in the total 5 hours to spend for the keyword selection and the competition, which is the most important thing. The keyword selection and the competition check will make your site a big success or a failure, depends on it. Most of the newbies, most of the people don't do the keyword selection and the competition check properly. They just skip this step, and whatever they do after that will be a wasted efforts. So I want you to spend much time on this, go through this video how I am doing it, and it will be easier for you. So you have a lot of keywords here. You can go one by one, depends on the related phrases. Say for example, here there is a keyword saying 2-person backpacking tent. Okay, that is a general one, not related to the Coleman, but still that is a good keyword we can target for the home page, which I will discuss in that separate video. So this is how you have to select 25 to 30 keywords. If you have more keywords like 40, 50, you can keep it. You can download these keywords by just downloading here and keep it in a spreadsheet and use it for this project. So that's it for selecting the keyword research and the competition check. And in the next video, we are going to decide on the name of the website, domain registration, and hosting. And see you in the next video.